Hello guys, today we're talking about Walmart batteries. Everybody who said they're good, pricey, cheap, affordable, everything, they suck. Do not buy these batteries. This is how we start. We purchase these batteries. I own a diesel truck. As you can see, this thing is too big to be having those small batteries cranking. When there's no starting good, trying to purchase another one, we just change one. They're international state batteries. They're really good batteries, guys. 800 cranking. Make sure it's a new battery. We're still in the process. So far, we just got one down. We're trying to search the other ones so you can see them step size. There it is, guys. International battery. 100 cranking, 3 years warranty.